Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat, you're watching iGyaan, and today we're going to be reviewing the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. Are they any good? We're going to find out in this video. So we've been looking at a few TWS earphones or truly wireless earphones over the past couple of days. And while truly wireless earphones are great for freedom, they have a few shortcomings, including battery life, which is limited to a couple of hours, 3 to 5 hours at max. Depending on what brand, what quality, you're only getting about 4 to 5 hours of battery life. A lot of people prefer neckband style Bluetooth earphones, and that's what OnePlus has been delivering for the past 3 generations. The OnePlus Bullets, the Wireless 2 and the Wireless Z have all been neckband style earphones. And rumor has it that OnePlus is working on truly wireless earphones, which they're going to launch soon. But for now, the Wireless Z are priced at rupees 1,999. And at that price, should you be picking up a pair of these neckband earphones? Now, while the design of the Bullets Wireless Z remains the same, OnePlus has constantly made upgrades to the wireless earphones. And this time around, they've gone with a more plasticky design. There is no ear loop, which is sort of inbuilt into the earplug. And you still get additional tips, so a small, medium, or large, depending on your ear fit. You also still get controls on the earphones, so you do get your volume controls and a multi-function button in the center, and then you get the battery in the neckband. What has improved is battery life and charging. So now you're getting 20 hours of usage from these earphones, and it takes about 10 minutes to quickly charge up the earphones to give you 10 hours worth of usage time. So what they are selling in this price is not only durability, but also endurance and also quick charging. So you get performance and endurance with the battery life with these OnePlus Wireless Bullets Z earphones. There have also been a few improvements as far as sound quality is concerned. They have a slightly better and more isolating fit in the ear. So you get heightened volumes, but you also get an improved lower end. So you get better bass or deeper bass from these earphones. They did lack bass in the last iteration. However, that has been fixed with the Wireless Z earphones. What is also improved is the reduction of latency. So they have 110 millisecond latency, especially if you're using a OnePlus device and you're gaming in the Fanatic mode. So if you're playing games like PUBG with the Fanatic mode enabled, you'll be able to get almost negligible latency from these earphones, which means that you'll be able to play games without any lag and you'll enjoy your gaming experience thanks to the improved latency reduction. Now, these are also great for voice calls because the microphone is closer to your mouth, so you get better microphone pickups. Overall audio quality is good for receiving calls as well. Because the isolation is good, you don't hear a lot of background noise, but there is no noise cancellation, so the receiving end will hear a lot of disturbance in the background if you're in a noisy place. The microphone pickup is loud, like I mentioned, so the audio clarity from your microphone to the person on the other end of the call will still be really good. Now, I'm not a big fan of neckband earphones. They do tend to bother me with the neckband sitting on the back of my neck. But because of that, they're able to pop in a large battery life, and then you're basically able to use the earphones for an entire day without needing to recharge them. And if you own a OnePlus device with a OnePlus charger, you can pop them on the charger and then get a quick charge. Like I mentioned earlier, 10 minutes will give you about 10 hours worth of usage. You still continue to get magnetic control, so you can sort of snap the earphones together to get the earphones to turn off, go into standby mode. If you're playing any media, it'll pause. And once you remove the earphones from the magnet, it'll remove the earphones from the standby mode. And if your media player does support it, it'll start playing the media back again. Now, the past generation of the earphones, OnePlus was including a silicone carry case, but this time around you don't get that red, nice silicone carry case. Probably they'll sell it as an add-on on their store, so I'm not sure of that, but that was a great thing to have in the earphones. I also liked the first generation ones where you could get some silicone wingtips that you could attach to the earphones to get a better fit in your ear. Especially if you have larger ears like mine, those wingtips really help to keep the earphones secure. OnePlus has added an IP55 rating, so if you're out in the rain or using these earphones for workouts, or if you're sweating on them, they shouldn't have any problem lasting through that. And with the IP55, that means that there is some dust protection as well. So all in all, it is a welcome addition to the build quality of the earphones. Now, for a price of 1,999, there are a few options out there, If you're looking for TWS earphones, Redmi just dropped their earbuds S. But these are more for people who like more battery life and longer playback capabilities without needing to pop their earphones into a charging case again and again. And if you do need more battery life, all you need to do is plug this up for 10 minutes to get an additional 10 hours of battery life, which is absolutely impressive. So for that, these earphones are possibly the best available in the market for the best available price. I would have liked to see some sort of noise cancellation or audio cancellation features. Those are possibly not available at this price bracket, and for that, the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z seem to be a really good bet considering the price. That's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Sound. Oh fuck! Sound बहुत बढ़िया है. कुछ ज़्यादा ही